Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Today, let us look into the life of eagle. Eagle is not the biggest bird, yet it rules the sky. The albatross is the bird that has widest wings. The bustard is the heaviest bird, but those ones are not the king of the sky. Eagle remains one of the most respected birds of the sky. Why? Because dominance is not by size, it is about mindset. When storm comes, most birds look for shelter, but the eagle flies into the storms, using the wind from that storms to rise higher above more the sky. This simply means what other fear is what lifts the eagle. What many people fear might be what will give you great success, greatness in life. So that is why I say don't take life of others. What favor them might not favor you too. Eagle does not feed in a dead food. Eagle always has patience to feed in a something that is alive. In our life is simply defined. We don't need to always remain in old ideas, negativities, small thinking. Living in this such cycle of or bracket of attitude will delay growth and make growth impossible in our life. You hardly see eagle fly with other animals like pigeons. Never. It is not pride, but vision and mindset differ. When your destination is higher, allow your association to be changed. Don't associate yourself with people that have lower destination, lower vision, as in with you. They will discourage you and pull you down. So when you are in a higher destination, change your associations so that you can grow. Eagle has sharp visions. Eagles discover opportunity where many birds are running away due to fear. You see, eagle find opportunity in that place. So don't be among people that will follow yes or member. Discover your vision and follow it up. Eagle go for renewal. He remove the peak and remove the wings to look fresh again, and that is a very painful situation to eagle. And after that, it's about new growth. So in life, to start a new growth, you might go a very painful situation. Don't mind it. Stop living in your comfort zone. Your comfort zone can never give out what you need in life. Come out for your comfortation and take that decision that will pain you, but at the end you will have something to say. Thank God I take this decision. In all, size does not determine success, but mindset. The storm you fear, the challenge you fear might be the weed that will lift you higher. So stop fearing, face your challenge and move to the greater heights. Thank you as you watch to this end. Please share it to help others to grow. Thank you. May God bless you.